Hey y'all, it's Jan at Simply Jan Homestead, and I wanted to show you what we got today. But I also want to give a super special recognition to Josh at Stoney Ridge Farmer. He had the best videos for butchering, and we watched those. I've been watching butchering videos for over a year now, and I just thought, well, I'll go to Stoney Ridge and see what Josh has. And it was so easy, so easy. I was blown away. I'd never done this before, and either had Kevin, and it was so simplified. So thumbs up to Josh at Stoney Ridge Farmer. If y'all haven't subscribed to him, go check him out, because he's just an amazing person anyway, but he's got great content, and I want to thank y'all for coming along. You have a great day. 5 pounds, 15 ounces. Okay, go ahead. 5 pounds, 32 ounces.
3 ounces.
3 ounces. Okay. 5 pounds.
About 6 ounces. It's about 6 ounces.
5 pounds 6. Okay. These are
This looks like a small
first
one.
8 birds we've done so far. 4 pounds 8 ounces.
They're going in the freezer right now.
No, I have to label them first.
Wow.
Whoa, 6 pounds 6 ounces.
Six six.
6.
Illuminati confirmed. Oh,
Any more?
we got one more to shrink wrap.
5 pounds 5 ounces. And one more to go. All right, y'all. This is the last of the chickens. We got 125 pounds
12 ounces.
and 12 ounces
With 24 birds.
with 24 birds for 8 weeks. And we average
5.2 or whatever.
something like 5.2 pounds per bird, yeah. If you break it down. So, are we happy this is over?
Yeah, I'm glad it's over with. This has been a
Yeah.
long day. We didn't get rolling until about 11
Yeah, we ended at 5.
because we had to put together the little cooker deal to, scald them
The
with.
deep fry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and figure out why it wasn't turning on. It wasn't that hard.
No, yeah.
But plus we had to go
done.
get ice.
Yep.
We had to go.
Oh,
Yeah,
we were slacking.
we were kind of slacking this morning. So
Yep.
it's time to enjoy an adult beverage
That's right.
and get the rest of these in the freezer. There's 8 more of them, or
Yep.
9 more of them, or whatever, in the freezer right now.
I'll
10
take
more
you
of them.
over to the freezer and show you. We thought we had an 8-pounder.
I think
But
we
we
had it
didn't.
on some different
Got
settings.
some gizzards, hearts, and livers for me.
Gross.
He doesn't like them.
No, I don't eat internal
So-
organs.
Would we do this all over again?
Yeah,
You betcha.
yeah. I'd like.
We'll get our setup a little different.
Yeah, our killing cone situation was kind of a fiasco.
Well, we didn't have anywhere to put it, and we didn't
That
have
was
a
close
stand
by.
built. Yeah, so
That
we
was
put it
close.
on the side of the house, but You know, overall, it worked out pretty good. And we're going to take a little bit when she gets bigger and put her in with the other flock. And we're excited about that. And I know she's excited to have food to eat and not have to fight for it.
Yeah.
She'll probably be a little lonely tonight, but we put her by the other hens in the chicken tractor.
So they're
So-
pretty close, so they can see each other during
Yeah.
the day. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's you know, she was seeing that one was seeing all its buddies go bye bye one by one by one all day long.
Mm-hmm.
And then when there was only 3 of them left, they were all huddled together, even with the other one. I don't know. I mean, obviously they're chickens; they're not that smart, but yeah, it was a good day. I'm glad it's over with.
Yep.
It took us. We got rolling at about 11. And what time is it now? It's about 6.
Yeah.
I think it's about
Well, we
6.
finished cleaning and butchering at 5 because I looked at my phone. It was
Well-
5 sharp. But we just finished bagging these up, so we'll say 6.
Well, it's 6:30.
Okay, 6:30.
We finished cleaning them. We finished with.
It was 5 when I did the last one.
Yeah, but then I had to clean the chicken plucker.
Yeah, and then
out,
we had to
so-
clean up. So,
so-
you had another hour and
Yeah.
a half. So, yeah, but we're glad it's over. We have our own meat that we raised and we fed and we loved in our freezer.
Yeah,
We're super excited.
it's good to go.
We thought we had an 8-pounder, but it was on ounces.
It was
Bummer.
on something else. I don't know.
Yeah.
Or you pushed on it or something.
I don't know.
It couldn't have been on fluid
changed
ounces.
I changed the settings. I don't know what I did. But
Biggest one.
we're happy. We have meat going in the freezer for 24 birds. I cannot complain. This is super, super, super exciting. I can't see us ever doing 50, though.
No way.
Think so.
Not without some help.
Yeah, well, it's just us. If we were going to share them with someone, yeah, we could do that. But
Yeah.
we're going to go shower, and we're going to go eat.
Finish cleaning up, and we're gonna go out.
We're going
to
out
eat.
to eat.
We're gonna go
Tomorrow,
out.
I'm making chicken and dumplings, and I am so excited about it. Hey, y'all, be blessed
and
love
well.
well. Bye now.
Bye.